Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways through which you can earn income passively. Just by simply sharing your internet connection, you can earn pretty much like from $10 to effortlessly like $70. You can earn that money per month. So the first website is Honeygain. This is a website which gives you money when you share your internet connection. Okay, this platform is available for Mac OS, Windows, and even Android. And how does this work? Like simply, you can earn money by simply sharing your internet. What you have to do is just simply download their client, register yourself from using this dashboard, and that's it. Connect yourself, and all the things they will do them by self. What happens is when Honeygains activates, it securely shares your internet connection, but it doesn't share your data, not your private data. So it doesn't breach your privacy. And what it uses is it uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. What do I mean by that is like SEO website stats, like ad verification, like pretty much like a BTC, a cryptocurrency in which you solve the tokens, like you solve the tokens. Similarly, Honeycomb uses its clients to verify ad verifications, to brand protections, app testing, and that stuff by using your internet connection. And you get paid, you earn money by simply just sharing your internet. And the payment modes of Honeygain are they provide you payments in the form of PayPal, and another is from BTC, that is Bitcoin. So and the minimum amount you can withdraw is $20. Okay, so if you want to earn, and they have extra option to earn money from their content delivery. What is content delivery? Content delivery is a feature of Honeygain in which they deliver you contents like multimedia contents like images, videos, and that kind of stuff's in the background. Don't worry, it doesn't consume too much data of yours, but it's the best way. There are two ways in Honeygain in which you can earn the money, and it's simply just sharing an internet connection that is by default. It's just going to use it's like it's going to pay you in the form of how much KBs you have uploaded or how much KBs have been used. But in the content delivery, what it does is it pays you on the hourly basis. How much time is your content delivery is turned on. It doesn't matter if you turned it on. It's not going to pay you like, okay, I have enabled content delivery, now I will earn the money. No, that's not possible in this case. It's the availability of content delivery according to your locations. Okay, and security wise, it's a good, it doesn't breach your privacy and that stuff. And simply the 5 steps you have to do is that's it. You have to download the client, you have to register and start the honey game and let it do everything by itself. And when you reach the minimum payout balance, which is $20, you can just withdraw the balance. And this is your estimate, and this is how you can calculate your estimate earning per month. So currently I am sharing my data, 2 GB data and 4 hours of content delivery, but I'm not earning $7 per month. That's because I am in a location. I'm in India, in Madhya Pradesh, and they don't have too much companies to let me earn that. So they don't companies don't have requirements for this location, for this area. If you live in a city like Delhi, Mumbai, they will have more requirement for their data from that city, from the users of that city. So you will earn more. And a bit, and how you can earn more. This is the factors you influence your earnings, your location. If you are situated in US or some kind of hotspot city where you have large populations, or your city is very much famous, or the companies needs requirement for the users of that city, you will earn more. The number of IP addresses, the how, like all these things that all I'm going to tell you two more websites which is let you earn in this way, and all the concepts are same, except that the content delivery is exclusive only for the honey game. And except all the things are same for both of the other two sites. So what does the mean that number of IPs is that if you install Honeygain on your Windows laptop or Windows desktop or whatever it is, or on your Mac and on your mobile phone, you need to have a different IPs in every platform. The more the number of devices you're connected in, and the more different IPs you have, the more you will earn. From far by my experience, I have learned that mobile data connection lets you earn more than your Wi-Fi connection. To be honest, that's mobile data connection lets you earn more. But yeah, we have a limited amount of data. But don't worry, it doesn't consume like you have in 24 hours. Maybe I guess if you live in a city like my city, which is an MP, it won't consume more than 200 data. You let it turn on for like almost 10 or 12 hours. It won't use from 300 or 200 MBs of data. Matter is your speed, your internet speed. If you have speed higher than 50 Mbps, you will probably earn more. Why is that? Because when you are sharing your internet connection, then it means that that internet connection is getting, it's solving some datas of SEO websites, brand protection, and every kind of that stuff. And the faster it solves it, the faster another jobs it gets it. So the faster your internet connection is, then probably you will earn a little more, not that much. Like it's not a big difference, like from $10 to $100. No, that's not the case. But yeah, you will earn a little more. That's it. So this is the Honeygain. What you have to do is click on the dashboard, and then you just have to sign up the form, whatever the page is, and that's it. If you use my link, then you will earn a $5. You can use this, claim this $5 now. If you click on this, and you will earn a $5 on just on account by doing nothing, and then you just have to earn a $15 extra to withdraw the amount. And if you ask me how much fake or real this Honeygain is, then I will pretty much surely say to you that it is real. Pretty much everyone is using this to earn a passive income on their internet connection, because you just don't need to do anything. You just have to let the computer do everything, the software let to do everything, and you will just earn the money. So just go use my referral link to support me and to get yourself a $5, and that's it. Start earning. And to make sure that you earn more, use mobile data. When you install your Honeygain app on your Android phone and use mobile data for it. If you use Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi for your laptop, desktop, and Android phone, then it won't earn any money because you have same IPs there. Or you can set different IPs if you know much knowledge about internet connections and that stuff, network settings and that stuff. And the more devices you install, it get installed in your mom's phone, dad's phone, brother's phone. Just it, all the works is done, and you will earn money. You will earn money. That's it. They won't take your data, not your personal data, not your personal data like videos, photos from your mobile or your desktop. Don't worry, they won't take anything. That's not the kind of software it is. It's just using your internet to solve the things. Okay. So this is about all these passive things. The another side is PacketStream. What PacketStream does is it does the same thing. In the PacketStream, you become a packeter, and this is the rate of amount of money you get per GB. But that is too ideal. It also depends on the location. Just like I said, it also depends on the location. And from what I can say, from by my experience, I have earned approximately like 0.00 like $0.03 per day. Just like too slow. Let's see. This is my balance, and I have run it like I just have used 200 MB. 200 MB of data. It is better in a data. It is better in data per amount of money you get. But there are not many companies associated with PacketStream, but it's good. It's a good amount of money, and their amount of withdrawal is also low. You just need to earn like $5 to withdraw your money, and as simple as that. They also do content verification, but to be honest, by far Honeygain is good, better than it, but you can use both. And I'm going to tell you another one. You can use three of them. You can just start three of them on your desktop or your mobile phone, etc., and just let it do all yourself, and you will earn. Like if you are earning from multiple sites on multiple devices, you will earn more. That's common sense, basic common sense. So that's it. This is PacketStream. I'm also going to provide you a referral link for this also, if you want to. It doesn't provide you an extra $5 or something, but just to, if you can support me by using my referral link, then please do so. The another one is IPRoyal. IPRoyal does the same thing, but from my priority or from the quality wise or from the top three wise, I will consider Honeygain first, then second PacketStream, and the third is IPRoyal. Why? Because it has less and less companies than Honeygain and PacketStream combined both. But yeah, I have seen people who is earning from this also. Is this fake? No, this is not fake. Even the PacketStream is not fake. These three, Honeygain, PacketStream, and IPRoyal, these three networks or these three websites are not fake. They are absolutely real, and they will pay you for real for just sharing your internet connection. But yeah, from PacketStream, they let you withdraw your amount of money in like PayPal, and from IPRoyal, you can pay out your money from Visa, bank, credit cards, and Bitcoin and PayPal, and they have multiple payment options. Okay, and their minimum amount of withdrawal is also $5, so you don't have to worry. Just like you have to earn $20 to withdraw the amount of money. No, that's not the case here. And if you go to the site iproyal.com, you won't find where you have to register here. So I'm going to provide you the link in the description of the video. I'm going to provide you the links, a referral link and non-referral link. So that's your choice if you want to support me or not. So that's a simple thing. And you won't find any because in IPRoyal, you're not called packeters or in Honeygains or like whatever it is. You are called pawns who are going to share your internet connection. So I'm going to provide you the link for it. You can just go for it and sign up it. And this is my earnings. it's showing 0.00, but actually it's about if it's like 0.0496 something GB, so it's definitely 0.00001 dollar, or 0.0001 or 0.001 dollars, which is not going to show because zero point 0.2 decimal places are showing here. So as simple as that. About the platforms which is available in IPRoyal, you can see it is available on Windows and Mac only. In PacketStream, it is available for Windows, Macs, and Linux. And in Honeygain, it is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Android app. So this is the interface of Honeygain, which you can see right here. And that's it. This is how I want to. This is my normal default gathering of KBs of data or MBs of data per day, and this is my content delivery. This is as simple as that. Just start your Honeygain, and that's it. It's going to do all your stuff by itself. So that's it. These are the three websites. The first is Honeygain, the second is PacketStream, and the third is IPRoyal. Thanks for watching this video. And if you liked it, please like. And if you really loved it, please subscribe the channel for knowing more different and unique kind of things which I'm going to provide you on this channel in later in the future. Thank you.